Yeah. Welcome back. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Mr. Mal. Welcome back. It's so fun. Turn off auto translation. Okay. Okay, sorry. Okay, now I turn off. Hi, thank you, Mr. Mal. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Mal. Raining, yes, raining here. That's why I'm not going to work because raining. Thank you, 11 people. Your outfit is beautiful. Thank you. Prof Summer. It's good. At least you won't feel hot here. I won't feel hot then yet. Hi, honest. Maganda na po. Beautiful. Thank you. I have no time to entertain like you. Sorry. It's thundering and raining very hot. Yeah. Thundering and raining. You prefer to time out or hide? Hide. Someone. I'm hiding someone. Inappropriate. Appropriate. Mahipaw. Where from? I'm living here. Do that. Outside, okay. After I eat, I want one. I want
one, the camera. I'm going outside and turn the turn and then turn the camera, something like that. Fried chicken and rice. Yep, yep. What you're eating, sorry. Okay. No, thank you, Mr. Mouse. I'm from Hawaii and Aloha, Robert. Okay, thank you, Sir Robert. I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. What is that noise? Raining. Rain. Sir Robert, it's raining here. Thank you for like. Legit like. Hi, Handy. Can we keep in touch, Robert? Can we keep in touch, Robert, huh? Steven, hi, Steven. Thank you for joining. Robert is still here and aloha from Robert. Okay. Thank you, Sir Robert. Oh my God. bread. Kayaman siya bread. Really, sawangan. Wait lang, bakit umuulan dyan? Umuulan dito. Saan probinsya po kayo? Bicol! Bicol Province City. Bicolana. Tio, aloha. It's 7 p.m. in Hawaii. Aloha. Aloha, Tio. Raining here. Hey, body comes to her. Mohammed. Hi, Mohammed. Saki. Look, that's why you're raining here. Look, you're raining. My God. Yep. Raining. Quiz. What? Oh no. Mama. You're not allowed in my channel. Sorry. No toxic people in Sounds very hard. We have some rain now, too, lots of thunder, lightning, but not hard rain. Hard rain here and then lightning, thunder, something like that. Hard rain. Many of our close states have tornado. Oh my god, tornado! I'm scared about tornado. Ah, hope no tornado here. You will be okay. You need the rain. Oh yeah. Yes, po. Hi, Donnie. Surprise, Fred is not here, yeah. Maybe because our Fred, he with his wife, because today is Monday, so tomorrow they sell together, something like that. Tomorrow, his wife going to work again and come back Saturday, Friday afternoon, Saturday weekend, every weekend. Then come back from his wife, then going back to work at tomorrow, Tuesday. And the thunder here is loud. It shakes the house. Oh my god. Good for him. So he's always alone. Oh my god. Yeah. So that's why he bully everyone. Because he feel bored. That's why he bully man, yeah. That's why he bully man, because he feel bored. He boring. He's like it's boring without his wife. Thank you for the like. Antonio Alves, hi Antonio. Oh my god. Can't work today because raining. I come from Phoenix. Ah, okay. Phoenix doing live today. She's still going live, Phoenix. Mia Moore. Oh, she's cut live. Ah, okay. Cut live. But too many men talk, so I live. Ah, okay. Because she's beautiful. Phoenix is beautiful. She only had black skin. Ah, okay. Only black skin. I see Phoenix is beautiful. Blank hair, beautiful woman. No, she said that her phone broken. Ah, okay, that's why. Anyway. I'm looking at my father. I'm taking care of my brother because he fell sick. He needs to feel better. He still feels sick, so that's why. I already changed her diaper. His diaper. It's too hard because everything has sugar, yes. Yes po, everything has sugar. From the food, give us, even apple, yes, even apple. Even apple, oranges, something like that. Oh my god. Hunger. Any help? How far? Okay, we see the heart stop. The hearts don't give anything. Okay. Okay, we see the heart stop. The hearts did no. The hearts can give like it helps you feel like one. So less stress, feels so good, something like that. Feel alive, love, the heart stop, something like that. I love that thunderstorm. Oh my god. Blue balls, love. As long it's not the man who wants to be your boyfriend over your husband. Yes, that's right. You're right, Shannon. Yeah, yes, it's good time to relax and breathe down and just listen to it. Oh my god. It's scary. It's thunderstorm. I have a traumatic experience about thunderstorm when I'm young. Do you scared of it? Yeah, I'm scared of it. Can you flood if there is too much? Yes. We experience flood here. We worried about the landslide. Here no floods. The other place flooding. Sorry to hear that. It's okay. It's fine. No worries. I have a good friend who lost everything when he was a kid. Huh? Why? And the animals too, they can drown. Because of the floods. Yes. Floods here when heavy rain, floods here. Too much floods. So much flooding. Other place, not here in this, but same in community, in barangay. That's why people here, I will have to rescue like volunteer rescue or something like that. makes me sad to see that friend cry, yeah, because lost everything. Same as like uh, someone we help people the house. She's pregnant and she have 2 kids, and then her husband going to Manila for work. Her husband living in on this May 14, then May 15, they live alone, so that's why no husband. So the kids want to go to their grandmother, but the grandmother home need to go to the mountain. So that's why the playground is huge. So that's why the kids want to go to grandmother. And then we leave in a few minutes. Their home is burned out and lost everything. That's why we felt sad about them. That's why the little kids, like an angel, that's why she wanted to go to her grandmother. And then suddenly, in a few minutes, their home burned out and they lost everything. No one saved. Even the neighbor, because their home is like the woods from the woods. So easy to burn out. So the fireman can't save because so easy to the fire. I don't talk to him almost 1 month. He always asks me, huh? I don't want landslide. I just love listening to rain. Ah, okay. Oh my god. And the other months to the down. Oh my god. I don't want to talk to him almost 1 month. He always asks money. Maybe because he needs maybe because he needs money for buy something like foods or something like that. Maybe he can't afford. So live on a mountain and have a chance of slide or live below and worry about flood. Yeah. He is 60 word. He's a 60 word. He needs a 60 words, huh? 60 words. Like 60 words. Then you're really beautiful. Thank you, Blue Gold. Where are you from, Blue Gold? Blue Gold. Parang. You get spread to show. Oh my god, you get spread to show your body's body. Oh my god. Someone say I'm beautiful. Yes, maybe. For you, Sir Fred. Good afternoon, Sir Fred. Here you come. You forgot it Alzheimer kicking again. Yes, I have an Alzheimer. I forgot everything. But my love is not. I left Phoenix. Ah, okay. I will show my body for free. Oh my god. Sweden. Sorry, Blue Gold from Sweden. It's okay po. Thank you, Blue Gold. Go spend time with your white friend. Phoenix not live. Maybe ended the live, Phoenix. Yes, and I fell for that. Sorry, Blue Gold, I forgot. I, okay, then she's done. From after I relax, Shannon, been mowing mountain all day. Wow, that's good. Sir Fred, you doing live today? It's okay, can't remember everything. Okay. Thank you, Blue Gold, for joining the live again. Cheers. Cheryl, can't remember how to speak English also. Yeah, that's right. My English is poor. Sorry. Remain. I'm poor in English. My God, it's fine. But at least I'm not doing bad to you guys. Tell me if I'm doing bad to you and I sampal myself. What happened? Not today. She going to massage my back. I felt something crack. Oh my God. Sana all. Surprise. Ikaw, di ka gudlaan naman. No more bully, yes. No more bully from Sir Fred. Raining here now also. Oh, people. Her English will Fred. Yeah, sorry my English is poor. It's your bad part. Bad part. It's raining here too, so let's all win together. Yeah, let's all win together. My God. Yeah, Shannon, someone said she has poor English. Yes. You're doing as best you can. Yes, but thank you, Blue Gold. Blue Gold. You know what, Blue Gold? I like, my favorite color is sky blue. It's our tears, yeah. No, what she's spine channel. No, the spine. Excuse me. Fuck whoever said yes, but it's okay, it's fine. I'm not affected, Shannon. People, what should I say? Nobody's perfect, so it's okay. It's okay. No worries. Blue is very nice color. Yes, blue. Guess Shannon. Okay, yeah. And I'm not worried about my English. Good afternoon. Hi. Is she live? I don't know. I'm not going with her live, so it's fine. I'm not affected negative comments about my looks, how I speak. My worries about if the attitude of the person, if I doing bad to them, if they're doing bad to me, something like, because me at my age I choose to live good. Peace of mind. Miss her by 4 hours. Numb na. And DM na. Numb na.
Huh?
Thank you, Shannon. Never mind. Oh, yes. Sorry, now I know. Never mind. Nah. Now I know what the meaning of never mind. The abbreviation of never mind. Never mind. Nah. It's okay. You will get it in time. Yes. She took all the EI shorts down about me. She really like you, Sir Fred. Obsessed with you. She needs your attention, something like just careful, Fred. She can report you for BB a bully. Yes. Yeah, you need to be careful. I told Sir Fred, just ignore. No need to go on. I have a shirt I'm going to put up saying I'm in love. Oh my god. And if they see all, maybe you lost your channel. She is a Filipino. Yes, Filipino. No, she can't Shannon because she is the one who starts. For me, whoever will start this, you know the truth, you know the truth, and you say, you explain to the people, something like that, and it's enough. Not worth the fight. You have a longer audience than she does. Yeah. Yeah, she is Filipina. Yes, I'm from the Philippines. Filipina. Japanese. The Japanese. Chinese. What else? Vietnamese. Korean. Thank you, Sir Fred. Oh my god. Hi, Sean. Go ahead, you troll. Yeah, troll again. Having a troll again. Hi, Sean Wallace. A friend got it, yes. You don't know how to one. That's it. Now that's real troll here. Watching. Hi, Joanna. Thank you, Joanna Cañete. That's good. Johanna. Let them talk. Let them talk. You got a boyfriend. I'm ready to bust a man. Not okay. Johanna Cañete, shout out to you. You are the one that, you know what, here, uh, I'm not a perfectionist. I'm not perfectionist, so if you are perfect, fluent in English or speak well in English, you're not allowed here because me, just who I am, just be real. Whatever you talk, as long as you are a good person, I will appreciate you. You're not welcome on my channel. Johanna Cañete, Sasa Ray. Maybe you're going to a beautiful, smart woman, speaking well in English, beautiful, sexy, smart, something like that. Blah, 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 blah. I'm not a good person and I'm here, haha. That was fast. Yes, I told, I told, I'm saying that I'm not perfect person, but I don't like toxic, so that's why. Daniela Michaela, ano po ginagawa? I'm doing live, sitting down on the chair, then talking to people, joining my live, something on me to Fred. I'm a bitch from hell. Me too. When I'm mad, I'm bad. You're perfect for Mike. That's all that matters. Yeah, and you're perfect for me. That's all that matters. Okay po. Beautiful skin color. My skin color is brown. So that's why here in the Philippines, not having a brown skin or dark skin, you're not beautiful here. So I don't care. Just be me. And here we go about brown skin. Yes, yes. About the skin color here in the Philippines is a big issue because if you're having a brown skin, a dark skin, you think they think you're not beautiful. Something you're beautiful to me. Thank you, franchise. Thank you, Sir Esteban. Love brown skin with bikini line. Huh? Thank you for likes. Stand up and do a 360 twist. Why? Why should I stand? Why you say that? You will pay for me if I stand $2,000, something like that. Thank you for the likes. I'm crippled. So that's why I can stand something. Crippled. Sending now. Yeah. Shez has 200 super chat. Yeah. Super chat. Send now. I will stand. Matthew Montayas. Huh? Kumusta? Your hair is looking beautiful. Thank you, Mike Mercado. Send super chat. She will stand or PayPal. Yes. She's $2,000. Yes. I will stand. Just wanted to see how tall you are. Yeah. Okay. I'm 4'11". I will show my ass for 50. She's short, yes. Hi, Mark Jemison. Hi, Mark. I'm 4'11". Too short. I'm from Philippines. You're tiny, so tiny, super teeny tiny. I'm a super teeny tiny Sheryl. You have a pat cat. What is that? Pat cat. Mark Jameson 4'11", nice. My Cheryl's It's smaller. Yeah, she's smaller than me. Your wife, Sir Fred. Robin Long, I knew Filipina, Mini Pacquiao, and Shaina Nitora, I don't know her. Manny Pacquiao, I know Manny Pacquiao. Shaina Nitora, I don't know her name. Shaina Nitora, I don't know her. Thank you, 10 people. Oh my God. Thank you sa nagla-like. Salamat sa nanonood. Thank you for watching 9 people. Ma. Oh. I found a love for me. Gab, kuha man ang cellphone ko sa luyo tabi. Ang saya. I know a lady boy when I see one. So you think I'm a lady boy? I look like a lady boy. I look like. You think I'm a lady boy? Franchise. I'm only joking. Okay. So what do you think? I'm a lady boy. Local. Ibang muscle. I'm a lady boy. So respect the host. No, it's okay, Sir Fred. It's funny. Someone tell me I'm a lady boy because sometimes I look like a lady boy. Yes. I'm a lady. Because I have a muscle. My muscles are like corn. Do you want to come with me? Why? Why should I go there, Uganda? Where's the Uganda? Where is country Uganda? You look good, Ronnie. Ronnie. How do I live without you, baby? How do I live without you? If you ever go. Is she going to USA? Yes, I'm going to the USA. What do you think, Uganda? I don't think so. I don't think so, the Uganda. come Sheryl, go to Uganda. Where's Uganda? Where's the Uganda place? Sir Steven, thank you for come back again. Aniski. Aniski, where are you from, Aniski? Oh, let's last chance. Yes, last chance. Very respectful. Thank you, Shannon. Shannon gave the last chance, so that's why you need to be careful. Jeffrey, it's an Africa. It's an Africa. Fred will fuck you up. Fred will fuck you up. Sorry, no Juan. My looks is not good on the camera because no Juan, no lipstick, no powder. Even the powder, I'm not putting on powder. Bisaya kayo, and I'm not Bisaya. Please. She has a man who's a 12-hour away, so we are here. Franchise don't respectful American. Hi, France Belly. Hello, France Belly. Are you? I'm from Philippines, Johnny. I'm living here in the Philippines. I'm an American. Hi, France Billy from America. Thank you for joining, France Billy. Fred has not had anything to drink or he be sick all the way. What time is it now? Hello there, Sheryl. Shout out to you. Shout out to you, Sir Belly. Thank you for joining, Sir Belly. Sir Belly from America. I just opened Bear channel. Bear time. Here, coffee time. Coffee time here. Down that Fred, get with the program. It's always 5 o'clock somewhere. And I left Phoenix to come check. Wow. Cheryl need to nap. Oh, thank you, Shannon. Thank you for joining. Yes. Take your time. Thank you for joining my live. Thanks a lot. See you next live. Hi, beautiful greetings from Wales. Hi, Sean Jones from Wales. Where's Wales? Where's Wales? America, Europe, Asia, something like that. Wales. I heard Wales, but I don't know where is Wales from. Thank you, Shannon. I usually don't start drinking till 3, Shannon. Thank you so much. Take ko, alam kung tama ba ito. Isang ko upang maintindihan mo ang buwan sa puso at isipan. Okay, wife, ready to massage me. See you later. Thank you, Sir Fred, for joining. Say hi to Ma'am Cheryl, to your wife. Enjoy the massage. Enjoy the massage because when it stop raining, I need to go to work. I need to do something. Hope it stop raining now. Take your nap, Cheryl. Yes. Yes po, Sir Fred. I need to coffee. Min, kuha man tabi dito ang baso sa balay. Ay, sa Habibi. Habibi, Felipe, Gimari. Habibi, take our Shannon from Sir Fred. Bye-bye. Tudang. Nagkaon ka na? Ikaw na ka mo wala susunod. Yadi may ano ba ganun? May chicken. Huwa-huwash.
Chicken. Ano papaya mo, baby chicken?
Pasa conmigo. Pasa conmigo.
Chicken ang suda mo. Chicken. Chicken.
Uy, may chicken si Bob. Huh? Ay, ano, mabubukaw. Kami lang isa lang. Hi, Mark. Hello, Cheryl. How are you been? Hi, Sir Mark. How are you? Thank you for joining. Bakit? Why are you crying, ma baby ga? Batuling. Say hi, Babang. Say hi. Hi, Sir Thomas. Hi from Denmark. From Thomas. Sir Thomas. Sir Thomas. Sa Uriko. Sa Uriko. Sa Uriko. So Uriko.
Butang ulit to.
Bobo. Say hi ka, Babang. Say hi. Hello. Flying kasi ka. Wala. Sige, okay na. Diba mo tabi dun sa alam. Thank you so much. Oh my God, Babang. Oh, bye-bye. Love ya. I have been busy with my company, so I've not been able to check on for a while. Are you busy? Okay, take your time. Oh, cost of living, source of living. Making your money is important for anything because something like that. Thank you to do someone sending the hearts. Yes, stop raining na. I need to go to work now. Do you ever get to speak? My cousin talked to me before. She joined my live before, but just in few minutes because she's so busy. So busy, that's why. Wala man. Ay, wala ka na.
Inuna daw tayo.
Alright, alright. Hello, so beautiful. Good afternoon. Hi, Sonny. Hello, you were going to mention me to your cousin. Okay, I will mention you. So if we have a chance to talk when she's not busy, I will mention you.
Pakin ko na dun.
Ito talaga na bata kami. Magkaon ka na lang kaya. Di ka na sakot. Mama.
Hi, Michael. Hi, Carl. It's Skeleton, yes.
Baba.
Skeleton, because I'm super teeny tiny. Have a good day. I will talk to you again sometimes. Okay, thank you, Mr. Mark. Have a nice day too. I take care. Girl in red looks pretty. How are you today? Oh, yes, looking. Alright, girl. She's my niece.
Pababa. Ha? Pababaon mo. Sabi mo, ibaba. No. Bauda. Ay? Ay? Hindi bauda mo. Ay? Ako mabaon.
You really had to so love with this. Thank you, Blue Gold.
Mata.
Are you sure with that, Blue Gold?
Magaon kami.
Hi, Marcus! Rod, thank you for joining. How are you? I'm fine. How is Mr. Pennsylvania? Pennsylvania, he's fine. He's looking good. He's so lovely and still love me. And we love still love each other. He's a good man, Mr. Pennsylvania. Michael, what are you all eating po? Is it masarap? Yes, it is masarap. Fried chicken with rice. Don't subscribe. Nag-subscribe ka pa kahit wag na. Very sure. Thank you, Blogo.
Dali. Pantuan. Ano? Kumana. Uy, nagoda mo kailangan niya.
Very good. Yes po. Thank you so much. Looks like you have a big family. Yes, we have a big family. We have a big family here in Bicol province, Philippines. Huge family. Soon you and he will be married. I'm coming to the wedding. Really? You coming to the wedding? Sir Mark, are you sure with that?
Kawat.
If you come to the wedding, you bring the gift.
No.
Something like that's joke. What part of Philippines are you in? And salamat po for chatting. Bicol province, Philippines. I'm living, wait lang. Bicol province. Philippines. I'm sure. Oh my God. I'm not expect, but I don't know. I have my company planner already. Wow. Really, Mr. Mark? That's nice. Hope you come. You hope you come our wedding. The wedding is in October. Mr. Mark. Oh, chop. I hope you will. Hi, Tony Chi. Tony Chi.
Bawal ka na ha. Along ko ikaw.
I have been there. I like it. It's quiet. I went to Raster Fight List Mini Paso. Silly me. Mini Paso. Hoy, kagat ka sa ayam. Lumpat-lumpat ka dun. Yes, I remember. Thank you, Sir Mark. Tony Chi, hello.
Lumpat na lima, lumpat
Your
na.
niece has a lot of kids. No,
Paano kita, Bibe?
her kids is just one kid.
Para magbaba.
This is they are cousins.
Baba. Saan?
The other kids, my sister daughter.
Bauna. Bawal na magtaas. Bawal na magbaba. Taas na ba? Taas na ba? Pag-ibig sa bahay. Bawal.
What? Yes, I think I lost 40,000 Philippine that day, but was fun. Huh, Michael?
Bawal.
40,000 Philippine peso that day but was fun. Oh my God.
Sige mga
Fun? What's fun about 40? Lost. Lost. 40,000 you lost. 40,000 Philippine peso. Philippine peso. That's not funny. My God, 40 pesos. It's a lot of money. Almost
Lagay mo na.
$1,000. Okay, your niece is your sister's daughter. Yes, my niece is my sister's daughter. And the other kids, another sister's daughter. Kuya, da ka dun pwede sa ayan.
Dila.
Jayda, kagatong kayo sa ayan. Ikaw, yung lalawag ka dun sa ayan.
Dapat.
Hello, beautiful. How are you? Doing to see you again. It's John Boy, the opal. Hi, John Boy.
Pwede mo kasi di ulang ka nun.
John Boy, the opal.
Hindi ulit ikaw daw.
Thank you sa nagla-likes.
Sabi naman ko, bakit sa pating ka?
Dila baba.
Ako. Oy!
From there, I mean from there. From there. I mean,
Terus bibi to.
wow. Okay, sorry, I misunderstand, Michael.
Ayaw natin may marang yung magdaros. Bisa ikaw. Ayaw mo yung mag-iila. Bisa ikaw. Bibi. Dam. Dam. No. Adiro na sa bilis. Adiro na sa... Kaputan mo ako naman. Ako naman. Ikaw naman.
Broke my finger, hard to type. Okay,
May ngipon daw kung nagbilan ako.
Ako naman.
sa gilid naman.
Di ako.
Pag-ryan pa, okay. Hulog ka din ha. Stop raining. So that's why I need to go now because I need to do something. Are you close to the big volcano? Not too close, but near here. More than 3 hours from here going there, the volcano. Michael. Where are you from, Michael? I go back on vacation from Australia. From Australia. I go back to the vacation. I mean, you visited before here in Bicol, Legazpi before. So that's why you go. Hindi ka masalibo, kahit tulog si Papa eh. Sir Steven.
Hi, Tatamin.
Ay, tatamin. Hi, tatamin.
Hi, Tatamin.
Hi, tatamin.
Hi, Tatamin.
Hi, tatamin.
Ayaw mo?
Nakapi kita, baba?
Ay, talaga kukuha.
We need to go. We need to go kuan. We need to drink coffee, baba.
Hello, hello. Test. Test, test, test.
Pastas.
O, taas.
Oh my God.
Yes. Dad? Akin na lang to. At gusto mo, alam, maipit yan. Maipit
I
yan.
still tell near the way with big fox ride where
Wala
butts
ko dyan, ako dito.
are. Okay.
Ako dito. Ako dito. Paano ko maglakad? Hindi naman na. Sabi.
Sarap
Ako,
naman
ako ba?
anime. Sarap naman.
Ako ba? Ako ba?
May sarap pa dito, Gabriel.
Hello. Ang yan ito.
Ha?
Ang gabi yan. Hello,
Ay, parang gusto magbaba, ha? Parang magbaba. Bino ba?
Ito nga na, diyo, tapos daw.
Ako, hindi ako sunod.
Michael. Thank you,
Uy,
Michael.
Jada!
Hindi no.
Baba. Okay. Only 2 weeks this time. Okay. Why? Why only 2 weeks? Jeremy. August. In August. Oh, in August. Wow.
Now?
Wait, ano?
Pumuyo ka daw, sabi ni Papay. Uy. Sabi ni Papay.
Nanan sabi?
Pumuyo daw ni Daniela. Eh, diya.
Bato na lang maski sa ba?
Help!
Wala mang kanina natinda na isumuda. Lasa.
Saan suda sa iyo, men?
Nasa na sa'yo?
Hotdog. Nakakidok si Dee. Hotdog ka lang.
Ano kaya kung ano tita?
Ano lang?
Hindi ba na dyan na
Kasi, ano, butang ko.
Pwede pinilito na. Sigurito na ang papa mo. Bawal. Try.
Mahal lang ito, di ba?
Pwede man. For my birthday. For your birthday. How old are you po? I'm 41. 41. 41.
Wala pa no si Tingnan mo lang isda kanina, nagpabunto. Wala na ko na isda kanina. Lapas ka? Oo, wala na isda sa plaza.
Ikaw?
I am 57. 57 years old. Wow.
Anak, 7 ako. 7.
Oh, 57 years old. Sir Michael, do you have a what do you call this? You have a Filipina jowa? Filipina girlfriend? Something like that. Uy, ba? Nagkakanta? Sana all. Ang ganda ng boses.
So weird.
Maybe meet with her, eat and get to each other. No, there I am single. Maybe. Wow. Why say singles? Where's your wife? What happened? Why you're single? Why you so... Ay? Wow. Why single, Sir Michael? Coffee time, come on. Every day.
Kapag ako birthday ha. Birthday.
Yoko.
Ay, sabi, visit ata man. Pero man dito ada ba yun? Ate Gina, adi nagungas. Ungas ko. Tinaon kulay ube.
Patay? Pwede magpatay. Ano ko ba?
Same. Ito. Ito, kagahapon body. Ay, kagahapon. Okay. Ay, nagrulan sa bangko. Balik ka na doon. Guys, wait na. May mapalag ako sa imo. Kumandi ka dito. Ano ba? Bangs ya guys. Yan sa dinang baron. Dili ba ang good?
Bawal ang bata. Sir Jeff. Hi, Cheryl. Sir Jeff. Hi, Sultan. Sir Jeff. Sir Jeff is you joining before. I forgot that one. Because I need to give you another blue. Because recognize it's you. From Sir Fred's live. Jeffrey. Sir Fred, Sir Jeff, it's you from Sir Fred live. That's you. Answer me. Charot. As I see a hot girlfriend there, both her to Australia. Supported her, but found out she had many men and lied too much. Yeah. Be careful to having a having a Filipina. That's why a lot of foreigner complain of having a Filipina and they scam. Oh my God! So that's why I felt sorry for the foreigner scam Filipina. So that's why I felt sorry for you. Sorry. I feel sorry about you guys. The foreigner, a lot of foreigner complaining they experience scam Filipina. So not all Filipino like that. So maybe just you are just the wrong choice to having a relationship with a Filipino, because maybe they're looking good outside but they have an bad intention, so not good intention for you guys. So that's why maybe you look at maybe the attractive in physical and outside, just to attract foreigners, the men, to get them most if they have having money for scam money. So you need to know it's the person before you commit. You're right. So that's why I still love Philippines, but okay. I thought you what you call this? Traumatic experience, Sir Michael. Sir Jeffrey where Camille? Camille is in her home. Somehow me, I'm at home. I'm at home. Camille, she's her home, so that's why we are different home, different place. You're living in another place,
So that's why we see each other and friends home. That's why. And look for Filipino wife. I think. Are you working po? Yes, I'm working. Just take a coffee before going because I need to do something because my work is Juan and then the ano. Oh my god. I'm a volunteer here in our community. And last day, yesterday I mean, we give, I decided to give, but someone donating, someone sending me, someone joining me here on YouTube live and sending money on people, and then someone burn out her home from fire. Then I decided to sending, I guess, I like a foods because lost everything, the fire, because her home is burned out and lost everything, something like that. When you getting married, Cheryl? October, when Mike's Kwan came back here. Hopefully, Sir Jeff. Hope you come, Sir Jeff. Good girl. That's a good heart po, yeah. It's a little help, but I hope but it helps, no? Okay, cool. Suddenly, heavy rain and past hours, then suddenly stop raining and hot. Suddenly, my God, I love to dance with Camille. Really? Sir Jeff. Sir Michael. Thank you, Sir Michael. Oh my God. Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you, Sir Michael. It helps me to reach the revenue. I know I have put a picture on. Okay. Sir Michael, what age do you want? You prefer to want to having a partner, something like that. Michael for the win. That's because you have a good heart, help others. Thank you. I will post it on tonight, because I make a video of, because I want to say thank you to those someone who's sending me. That's why that's why I can help other people here. So that's why share your blessing. That's why. So I receive, then we share. So, and not too much, but at least the help a little, even it's a little help, it helps. 30 and up to 30 and up. Okay, 30 and up. Okay po, 30 and up. That's good. That's good because that's good, having matured enough the woman, something nice lady like you. Sir Michael, I'm not too nice, something like that. I'm not too nice. Thank you, 32 people in the house. I know what, sir. Ano, they talking mic here because they call them daddy mic. That's why they talk about mic. Daddy mic. It's still raining in Thunder, Robert Aloha. Stop raining here now. Then suddenly hot na again. If you are helping others with that, you have there and nice. I think it's being a volunteer here because I'm a volunteer in our community here, so that's why normal to help people, something like that. If you have something, you will help, even just a little. It helps. Even the family. I help with my family. See you are nice person po. Thank you, Sir Michael. Thank you, Sir Michael. I need to go because I need to prepare going to work. So, because stop raining now, so I need to walk. And pretty. Nice person and pretty. Thank you so much. How I send you help? You can sell me help on my PayPal. My PayPal is on my bio. Mobile Legends. Okay, God bless you and help. Kid the Beagle. You can send me on my PayPal. My PayPal is on the pin. So something like that. Thank you, Sir Michael. I found the love. Okay, I'm trying to send you now. Thank you, Mr. Mal. Thank you, Kid the Beagle. If you send, I will mention you on my next one. Kitty Beagle. What is your real name, Kitty Beagle? How I give you a thanks? Like how I give thanks to you. Something like that. Tatamin!
Ako dito.
No need to mention it. Why? No, why? Because it helps. Hmm? I'll tell you the story about someone who helping because she's a pregnant. Gab, paluway man tabi kay naka-live ako.
Yep, no problem.
She's a pregnant and her husband going to Manila for work to support his family, and then they have two kids. The little ones almost 2 years old. I'm 1 year old and a month. and then the another 3-year old, 3 or 4 years old, something like that. And then the husband leave for going to Manila May 14. Then May 15, the little one told her mom they're going to their grandma mother for playing because the playground there is huge, so that's why. Maybe she felt comfortable playing there, their grandma, because they also have a niece, nieces there, cousins. So in few minutes, their home is born out and lost everything. Easy to burn out because the house is from the woods. Yeah, I feel feel bad because the mother is teeny tiny. My God, teeny tiny than me. Teeny tiny. I don't know how to go on because I can. What should I say? Uh, for the background. No, not that like the green screen. That's why I can't. Yeah, that's you. You are the one. Cheryl Marma 15 money cents. Yeah, that's why you should the money by. Yes, that's why. Sir, William Ring, it's you. That's why you money sent. Remember, you sent. And then I want to mention you on my live because you sent the money. I decided to give to those who burn out from the fire. So that's why it's you, Sir William Ring. Remember you sent me on May 15, the time that the kids, yesterday, May 16, I give the help, the family. It's you, sir. Yes. Thank you, Sir William. Arrowman 100. I decided to you send the money to the family, the burnout, uh, whose family burned out and lost everything, as in totally damaged. Even though, even the no, as in totally, because their home is one from woods. So that's it. Thank you so much, Airman 100 USC for sending me. It helps, you know. That's why. Thank you so much, Sir Steven. Hi. So that's why it helps the foods. I give the foods for the kids, for the mother because she's pregnant. Thank you, Sir Airman. It helps a lot. So I want to mention you. So you share your blessing and I will share something like thank you for sharing your blessing. It helps to the other needs help, you know. Thanks a lot. May 15. Huh? Your recipient should have the money, but Sharma, May 15 money cents. Your recipient should have the money May 21. Why? Why May 21? Hi, Sir Steven. Oh my god. I need to shower. Roman, I already received the 6,000, so that's why I decided to, yeah. Why need to wait 21? I already received Sir William, the airman. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, Sir William. May 15, exactly the date whose burnout, whose house burnout, something like that. Thank you so much for Juan for joining. I so for help for share your blessings. That's why I make a video to mention you. It's okay for you to mention your name, Airman 100, because I want to thankful for share your blessings. So that's why can help needs help here. It's okay for you. Hope it's okay. Because you are so good. So good. We are good. We are all good, maybe in different ways, something like that. Sir Eroman, I need to go to shower and then because I need to go to work. So thank you so much for joining my live. God bless you guys. Thank you for sharing, Sir William. Eroman 100, my pleasure. My pleasure too. Thank you, Sir William. Thank you, Airman 100 USA, for sharing blessings. Jeff, Sir Jeff. Thank you, Sir Jeff. I will find woman for you. Good woman. But I hope you good man. Tell Camille I said hi. Okay, I will tell him. I will send. Oh, really, Sir William, you will send again. Oh my God. Thank you, Sir William. Oh my God. The time you send the money, 15. I am 15, May 15. And then the home, because the family, that's the family who was born out. The home, their two kids, we monitoring their two kids because the two kids, the beautiful little girl, they are undernourished. That's why they monitor them. And then I think the little one, she's an angel. So she saved her mama, got pregnant mama and her sister. So that's why she said, "Ma, can we go to our grandma?" And then when they leave, in few minutes, their homes burn out, and I don't know. They can find what the cause of the fire from. So, but their home is totally burn out. So when they receive the mama, when they receive the gift I buy from you, you donate, sir. I remember. I laugh because 6 o'clock in the morning, you deserve to pay this, something like. That's why it's funny. That's so very funny. You know, take a note. My God. Yeah, I already get that, Sir William. I already get it, and I will. And yesterday I buy foods for the family. Then I'm making a video, and then I will post it later because I need to. Because the video is separate because I carry. It's heavy. I carry the foods. I carry the groceries going to her mother's home. So because she's pregnant and she carry her baby and she can't carry the grocery that I bought for them. So that's why this donate from Sir William. So something like that. So thank you, Sir William, for it's a perfect timing. God bless you more. Sir William, I need to go now because I have to work because I need to do something here. So thanks so much. God bless you more. Thank you so much a lot. Bye bye po. Bye for now. Thank you so much for joining. God bless. Sir Jeff, what? No. What? What you see something? See something, Sir Jeff? What? No. Don't leave. Why? Why I don't leave? What happened? You want to see something? You want to see something for Camille? Sir Jeff, look, my muscle, cause we miss you. I will do live again. I'm always here on my live. Look, Sir Jeff, I have a muscle. Maybe someone call me a lady boy because thank you so much. I will do live again. That's need to work then because remember I'm a volunteer here in your community. Even no salary, not enough. Giving the it's happy to serve something like that. So thank you so much. Tell Camille I sent my love. Okay, Sir Jeff. Thank you, Sir Jeff. Thank you. Bye bye. I will tell Camille you send the loves and the flowers. Rona, thank you so much. 67, yeah, 67. The 67. No, this is not 67. This is 76. Where's your bro? Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you. See you next live.